Alright, so this is the Dover Center Road railroad crossing in Bay Village, Ohio. I'm gonna get a tour of this crossing real quick. So here's the northern signal right here. It's got a Siemens base. Siemens gate mechanism. Safetran 12 by 20 inch lights. Right up there is the General Signals Type 3 electronic bell. And then right there is the RECO gateway. All three of those gateways are RECO. Alright, that's the southern signal. I'm going to see if I can maybe hop over here to the... No, this is the northern signal. That's the southern signal right there. I gotta wait to cross the street. Taking longer than I expected. Probably gonna take me a while, so I'll check back with you when I get to the southern signal. Alright, we're back here at the southern signal. Now what's nice about this is that right here, this cantilever, it's an old transport products cantilever. It's one of the, sometime I believe in 2019 or 2020, they replaced most of the original equipment here, which actually on this gate mast right here, there was a teardrop, a USNS teardrop mill, but the entire gate mast got replaced. The only original thing that was left here was this transport products cantilever. But here, this first pair of lights is a pair of Safetran 12 by 20s. And then there's two pairs on the cantilever right there, top of the cantilever. And I never pointed out the emergency information. The emergency information is 472-248N. This crossing is located on the Norfolk Southern Cleveland district. Got a Siemens gate mechanism for the gate mast. Siemens gate mechanism for Siemens base. Siemens gate mechanism. I'm sorry. Apparently I can't speak today. Another pair of Safetran 12 by 20s. On top of there, we got another GS Type 3 electronic bell. And then we got three more RECO gate lights. I'm guessing they're incandescent. This way is looking east towards Cleveland, and then right there we got triple red for eastbound, and then that way is looking west towards Bellevue. That's the crossing you're seeing right there is Cahoon Road, the crossing I just toured. I'm heading to the next crossing down there, which is Columbia Road. I'm going to be staying there for a little while. But yeah, this is the Dover Center Road railroad crossing in Bay Village, Ohio.